Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm currently in my car. Don't worry, I'm in the passenger seat. I'm currently en route to Valvetronic. A few days ago, we dropped off our shop's G80 M3 Comp X drive there to get some test fitting done as well as sound clips for them. So now we're en route to pick up the car back with hopefully the mid pipe as well as the rear muffler done in it as well. I'm excited to show you guys that, but I'm also picking up some goodies for my car as well, which stay tuned because I will be posting a video about that. But yeah, this drive has not been bad, but it's definitely not easy. It's about an hour and a half from our location, but it's really pretty out here. But stay tuned for the sound clips and everything.
What's up, everybody? Behind me, a 2023 G80 that just had the full Valvetronic system installed. Rear section with the factory valve actuators reused, and then our traditional single mid-pipe setup here. You can see this car's already been heat cycled a little bit. The entire system's gone this kind of beautiful bronze color. Carbon tips looking good, everything's aligned.
Sounds good. Sounds really good.
The car's warm.
Hey guys, so as you saw in the previous clip, yesterday I went out to Valvetronic to pick up our shop's G80 M3 Comp all-wheel drive. They did the rear section as well as the single mid-pipe. Sounds really nice. I will put the video clips in here so you can hear it. As well as, like I said, we got some goodies for my personal G80, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But huge shout out to Austin at Valvetronic for these goodies. We got the titanium single mid-pipe as well as the rear section in titanium. I do have two options for the tips, which I will show you now. So here's the titanium single mid-pipe as well as the carbon fiber tips and the titanium tips. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I'm going to put them on and maybe we'll take a vote. But the other two tips for the titanium are in this box. All the clamps and hardware, all the connecting tubes are here, as well as the rear muffler. Like I said, I'm going to be installing this. I'm going to need a little bit of help, so I'm going to have one of my guys help me. Stay tuned and watch. So I'm just going to put the car up on the lift now so we can start removing all of the parts that need to get removed in order to put the Valvetronic system in. Alright, so now that I'm under the car, I'm just going to show you where we're going to disconnect from. You have this area here as well as over here. You have this brace here as well as over here. This brace under here. The two braces right here. Got to remove the valve harness here and on this side as well as over here. And one on this side. So let's get into it. Alright, so now that the stock exhaust is removed, as you can see, I'm going to start putting on the titanium Valvetronic mid-pipe. I just wanted to show you guys what the titanium mid-pipe to rear muffler section looks like compared to the stock catback to muffler. Let's get into putting it on. so now that the exhaust is now completely installed, I just wanted to run through it again. We have the mid-pipe, single mid-pipe installed. Goes all the way back with the brace back in, and then splits off with everything braced back up. All the harnesses back in, and the rear mufflers in as well. And we decided to go with the carbon fiber tips. Probably going to change them out to the titanium ones, but figured I'd give it a try for a little while with the carbon fiber and see how I like them. And stay tuned for the sound clips.